child riding a tricycle noticed that when he pedals harder, the tricycle moves faster. Which Newton's laws of motion is illustrated in this scenario? This be letter A, first law, the law of inertia. Letter B, second law, F equals ma, or the law of acceleration. Letter C, third law, action, reaction, or law of interaction, or law of gravitation. Yung putumpak na choice dito is letter B. This is the second law, or the law of acceleration. Okay, so balikan muna natin yung the rest of our choices bago tayo pumunta dun sa ating second law of motion. Makinig, ha? Garinig po sa kanya itong three laws of motion. Yung unang-unang law po is the law of inertia. No? The law of inertia, or the first law of motion. Kapag sinabi po natin inertia, ito po yung ability ng isang object to resist any change of motion. The ability of a body to resist change in motion. Makinig sa let po na itatanong sa situation yung paggamit natin ng seatbelt. Bakit daw po tayo gumagamit ng seatbelt? At bakit daw po tayo kapag nag-start yung car, no? Nandiyan tayo sa loob ng car, of course, when the driver starts the car, yung body natin ay moving backwards, no? Kapag nag-brake naman po siya, na push forward yung ating mga katawan, no? That is the law of inertia.